Welcome to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank that brings you market views and insights on the go.
Hi everyone and welcome to Standard Chartered Money Insights. I'm DJ Cheong, an investment strategist at Standard Chartered Bank, and you are tuned in to our Weekly FX Navigator where we talk about key FX drivers and catalysts for the week ahead. In today's episode, we will focus on the near-term outlook for the pound. So the last week or so has proven to be a relatively lively period for the pound following the conclusion of the Bank of England policy meeting as well as the Scottish elections. And from a positioning perspective, asset managers and leveraged funds have both increased their net long pound positions since the Brexit trade deal was signed late last year. The pound has taken the Bank of England policy decision in stride, with the central bank raising both growth and inflation forecasts but lowering its unemployment estimate for the year. Although the Bank of England will slow the weekly pace of gilt purchases going forward, this is merely a technical change, with policy not expected to be tightened anytime soon. The other risk event was the Scottish elections, where the Scottish National Party, SNP for short, failed to obtain a majority in Parliament. Although the SNP may form a coalition with the Scottish Greens, who are also a pro-independence party, we believe there are still a lot of hurdles to be cleared before a second referendum on Scottish independence becomes a live risk for investors. So in our assessment, a buy-on-dip approach still makes sense for pound, as we will fade any renewed rise in UK political uncertainty. We continue to like the pound on a less dovish Bank of England going forward, as well as the UK's lead in reopening its domestic economy. Although pound dollar recently broke above 140, we are approaching overbought territory momentum-wise. This means we would prefer to wait for a correction lower to levels around 138 to around 140 before adding exposure. That is all the time we have for this episode of the Weekly FX Navigator. If you would like to read our latest publications, please visit our website at sc.com under Latest Market Insights. If you found this podcast insightful, please rate and review us wherever you get your podcast from. Thanks again for joining me today, and as always, have a great week ahead.
Thank you for listening to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank. For more details on the latest market insights, subscribe to Standard Chartered Money Insights.